Hey there, land investors! Are you looking to maximize your land's value? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal some subdivision secrets that can turn one piece of property into multiple profitable lots. First up, let's talk about the key steps in subdividing land. The process might seem daunting, but breaking it down makes it manageable. You'll start with a thorough site assessment. This includes understanding the topography, soil conditions, and existing structures. Once you've got a clear picture, it's time to dive into zoning regulations and permits. Navigating zoning laws can be tricky, but it's crucial. Each area has specific rules about how land can be subdivided. You'll need to check with your local planning department to see what's allowed. Don't forget about permits. You'll need a bunch of them, from environmental impact assessments to utility connections. It might seem overwhelming, but taking it step by step ensures you're compliant and avoids costly mistakes. Now, let's talk strategy. Increasing the value of your land through subdivision isn't just about dividing it up. Think about how you can enhance each lot. Add utilities, improve accessibility, and consider amenities that will make your plots more attractive to buyers. Landscaping and curb appeal can make a huge difference too. Once your land is subdivided and spruced up, it's time to sell. Marketing is key here. Use high-quality photos and detailed descriptions to showcase each lot's potential. List them on multiple platforms and consider hiring a real estate agent who specializes in land sales. They can help you target the right buyers and negotiate the best prices. Before you jump in, let's talk about common pitfalls. One major issue is underestimating costs. Make sure you budget for everything, from legal fees to construction costs. Also, don't rush the process. Skipping steps or cutting corners can lead to big problems down the road. Whether you're new to land development or an experienced investor, this guide should give you the knowledge to turn your land into lucrative opportunities. Remember to do your research, plan carefully, and market effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more expert land investment advice from Landzille. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.